I don't know about you, but for me, after a while, it kind of gets on your nerves, especially at 6 in the morning and it's dead quiet out there, and you can hear it as you back up. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm going to show you how to kind of like minimize the sound. It's up to you whether you want to do it or not. I don't know whether it's legal or illegal or if it changes any warranty. Again, it's my vehicle. I'm going to do with it what I want to do. So you decide. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy. I'm going to stand here the same side so you know the same distance. This is when the reverse is on. That's how it sounds like. And to get it off, real easy here. You got these clips and also these bolts here. Pretty easy. Pop it up, get under there with a screwdriver. Alright. Nice and easy, just like that. Pop it up easy, just like that. One. Okay. That easy. You don't have to do it really hard. Take your time. If you can't get under, wiggle it around like I'm doing until you find a point where you can get under there. Alright. Don't bend it. There you go. Nice and easy. Like I say, easy peasy. Get under there again. These clips, these are just push pins. And there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And then these 10mm bolts. Just like that. And like that. As you can see, this lever here has to come off. Okay, and let's take this off. You could leave this on if you want or take it off. It's up to you. Really easy. Just pull it up there and unhook it. It's that simple. And take this bracket off. Okay, once you get it loose there, as you can see, it just goes in there pretty easy. You could probably see the drain cock right there. That's for the coolant, pretty easy to drain. Alright, so we got our bracket off there. Like that. Out of the way. And let's get this cowl off. There you go. Just like that. Put that up. And just to show you the inside here, you could take this off, but you don't need to. It's pretty easy. This is the one you want to take off. This is the reverse sound, alright? These are the horns that I change, okay, besides the OEM. Pretty nice and loud. Anyway, let's get this bad boy off. Pretty easy. Okay, again, it's going to be a 12mm. On there, just like that. Again, pretty easy. Once you get the bolt off there, take it off. Easier to manage it would take this off the harness, and that's what it looks like right there. Let's take. And here we are. What we're going to use, a little soundproofing material here I got off Amazon, and show you pretty easy. You know, not expensive. I think it was $9 or something. Well, easy just like that. Okay, easiest way, of course. Just like that. Alright, and there you go. Not terribly expensive, so if you mess up, you know, don't worry. You know, some people just use weather stripping tape, which is fine. Basically anything that will try to dampen the sound, that's all you want to do, you know. Alright, do a couple more. And here we are finishing up the last cut of it.
And put it in. Go. Put it in there. Hurting yourself. Okay, that's good enough right there. Alright, now this is probably where majority of the sound goes. So I'm gonna put it right there, just like that. Okay, we can't do anything about the sides, so that's all pretty much we can do for right now. Alright, let's get that taped up. I'm gonna put a little bit more here, halfway. And that should do it right there. Okay, so what are we trying to do? Of course, we're trying to seal it up as best we can. Again, you could use any other tape. They all pretty much work the same way. Okay. I'll probably start off with a little bit at a time. Here. Get it secured. Get it started anyway. One. Two there. Okay. So we're going to wrap it around just like that. And I'll show you more when I'm done. No need to bore you to death showing you how to tape it. And here it is, all wrapped up. Just to show you what she looks like. All is said and done. Put this in first. If not, don't worry about it. And there it is after she's mounted. Okay, you got plenty of room there, so don't worry. Okay, let's hook her back up. It'll only go in one way, so just like that. You hear a click, and it's set. So let's test it, see how she sounds. You got plenty of room, so you could put on as much tape as you want or as little as you want. It just depends on you. Alright, so let's put it together again. Make sure everything's secured. That's good, that's good. Alright, so of course let's put this cowl on here first. Make it work easy. Alright, just like that, real simple. It'll slide under there, like that. Okay, get it all lined up. And let's put the bolts in. Real easy here. And then, don't have to be super tight. Go. Pretty much push in, just like that. Push in, then push out. Okay, just like that, nice and secure. And let's put this bad boy on. Okay, if you took this off, easy to put it back on. If not, of course, you just hook it up just like that. Okay, line up the holes. Make sure you don't drop your bolts. There you go. Don't have to torque it down like Superman. Just hook that up. And again, you're only going one way. If it doesn't fit like that, turn it around. And there you go. Just like that. You hear that nice click. Here is the sound afterwards. Again, it's not as loud as before. You could probably put more sound deadening material on there if you want to, or tape it some more. It's up to you.
And again, you can use the one I got, like from Amazon, that sound deadening material, or you could just use weather stripping tape from Walmart, or just tape itself. Just wrap around until you decide the noise is enough. It's not going to damage it in any way. You could always take it back off, and you decide which way. There's no right or wrong. It's just a matter of choice, whether you even want to do it or not. Just wanted to share with you, and I do want to thank you all for watching my videos. They're not paid or sponsored. I just like to do them just to share the knowledge. So take care and stay safe.